What's the meaning of Companion of Honor? Companion of Honor. Companion of Honor.
Companion of Honor. Companion of Honor. The Companion of Honor is a prestigious award bestowed by the British monarch on individuals who have made outstanding contributions in arts, science, literature, or other fields. The award was established in 1917 by King George V and is limited to a maximum of 65 members at any given time. Recipients are chosen based on their exceptional achievements and merits, and they are entitled to use the postnominal letters CH after their name. The Companion of Honor is one of the highest honors in the UK, and it recognizes the recipient's lifelong dedication and commitment to their field.